You definitely want to attend the job fair on campus. Prior to the job fair, you'll want to get your elevator speech prepared so that you are confident in delivering that. You'll want to do some background research on the organizations that are coming and prioritize them, like your top 10. And then you want to get your professional outfit ready to go.
There's many reasons to attend a job fair. You get the opportunity to speak with someone that's representing the company. You can learn about the ins and the outs of the company. You also may learn about an industry that you did not think that you would even have an interest in. So go and attend a job fair, regardless of whether it's virtual or in person. You can always learn something and always make that connection that you never know may be life-changing.
Going to the job fair will help you to explore different career opportunities and gather information, even from that freshman and sophomore year. And then you'll also get a feel for what the job fair is like. And so when you are there as a senior or even as a junior, you'll be much more polished and professional. You'll have your elevator speech ready. You'll be able to, exchange greetings, network, follow up with a thank you note. All of the different things that you need to do in order to be able to do well at the job fair starts with that early development process and getting comfortable with it.